Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can provide sources by using ChatGPT. Now, ChatGPT has a lot of flaws beforehand. Now, I had to research this myself to make sure that I know, but ChatGPT never actually used to provide sources. Now, sources mainly from different information, but if you find information from external and secure sources and websites, it's actually going to tell you. So what I've done is I said, prove me a source from the information on my mitochondria. So of course, the normal medical sciences and institutes and universities already have a comprehensive overview and an understanding of mitochondria. It gives you a link and also allows you to see, if I do press on this link, information about mitochondria. Now, of course, you will need to sign in. You need to have an account, blah, blah, blah. But it gives you sources from information. Now, if I were to say, provide me a source from a Wikipedia page, provide me a source for HTTPS. And it will tell you about HTTPS, and it will tell you an organization which does HTTPS, and it will tell you the link to it, blah, blah, blah. So it'll tell you lots of guides and lots of sources for it, for you to understand more about whatever topic you're choosing from. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.